It's right here. It's on the floor.
Ay.
They want to hurt us.
Oh, heck
Guys,
no.
kalma.
Oh, I heard it.
Are you there?
Hindi ko alam. Gumagalaw yung book eh. Get in, get in, get in.
Get in.
I
Hunting,
have-
hunting, Jared, Jared. I got it.
I can tell you where to find it, but not on an empty stomach. Bring me a cooked ham, and I'll give you the location of
Is-
it.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I hear running water.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Dito inatake si... Ay pa, dito nakatake si Jay. Tapos sumigaw ka bigla.
Ah, yeah.
Inatake bigla si
3.6
Jacob.
on me. Ay, sorry, sorry.
Tingnan mo, G. Ay pa, nagulat ako.
I'm going up.
Wala ka ng basement, Diyos ko po.
Found the dirty water.
DD water.
Titi water?
DD water.
Patayin yung mga ilaw, ba't nakabukas lahat?
Bakit ba sa...
Ay.
Ano?
Oh,
Tuloy.
Ayun nga, pinatay na tuloy yung ilaw.
Kailan nasa basement ako mag-isa eh. Ano ba?
I'm trying to find it on temperature. I can't.
where
Parang
are
may
you?
EMF reader.
Sa akin, hinahanap ko nga eh.
Nasaan yung isa? Shan?
I have it, I have it, I have it.
Where's the basement? Why are you in the...
Tapos nang samahan mo akong basement.
They are in the basement, bro. Right here. Haven't in the basement.
Just because it's on the floor doesn't mean I can't eat it.
Pwede nyo na ibigay yung ham. You can give the ham to the guy.
Oh my days. You can give him that meat.
-2, -2. On me, on me, on me.
Ghost room, ghost room, ghost room. I
Ay,
got two
negative
on
two.
the EMF.
Okay.
Yung temp, temp.
Ghost orbs, ghost
Negative.
orbs. Hunting.
Get in the class. Get in, get in.
Dapat talaga.
Buti lang tayo.
Ayaw na talaga.
Buti lang tayo naka-voice chat, gagi. Kung di na tahimik talaga tayo. Okay, stop hunting.
Okay na, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Nakalagay sa
What did you
EM.
say? What did you say? Ghost orb?
Ghost orbs, ghost orbs, ghost orbs.
And freezing?
Ah.
Ikaw,
Ikaw,
-2 eh.
pag negative, ano yun? Ah, na. Diba?
Uy, saan yung ghost book, guys?
Nasaan? Nalagay ko na.
Whoa!
Oo, sumabog.
Why is there circles in there?
Ano yan?
Motion.
Yung motion sensor.
It's
Jack, grab
running
the
water
book,
again.
please. Grab the
Ano?
book, please.
Palagay ka na mo. Ay, nakalapit.
Something broke.
Guys,
It's right there! What the heck?
paki-place na.
Hindi sumigaw! Oh! No!
I have the truth. I shall protect.
Did you protect us, bro?
I
Come
shall
on, die.
protect.
Jared, stay here, bro. Stay here.
We're
Drop
good,
the
we're good,
crystal.
we're good.
you. As a
Ayun,
seg.
It's right here. It's on the floor.
Ay.
They want to hurt us.
Oh, heck
Guys,
no.
kalma.
Oh, I heard it.
Are you there?
Yung TV.
Let me rest.
Lemby.
Wait, but
Turn
you
off.
off. Turn that off. Isn't that ghost,
Oh,
right?
Jared,
Isn't that spirit
Jared.
box?
Jared,
Din pinto.
Parang normal motion ba yun? Ay, hindi.
asan
Wasn't
yung
that
book?
spirit box?
Where's
Kinausap
the book?
natin siya eh. Tapos nag-on siya ng TV eh.
Why is the book shaking?
Ito.
Book?
Oh, it's right there.
So what?
Hindi ko alam. Gumagalaw yung book eh.
Okay.
Get in, get in, get in.
Get in.
I
Hunting,
have-
hunting, Jared, Jared.
Crucifix.
We're good, we're good. Kailangan pa natin bumalik dun sa van.
Oh, motion sensor.
Jared. Wow.
Guys, ako naman mumulto sa inyo.
Alright.
Guys, I swear, it's ghost riding. I'm getting the fuck out. Gusto niyo pa tumambay, I'm giving you the crucifix, bro.
Taas na crucifix.
Galing mo.
Right there. I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Wait.
Why are you following me? Bumalik ka doon.
I don't like this
I'm
place
going
no
back
more,
in.
bro. I'm getting out of here.
I'm going back in.
I'm not
I
going
will
back
not.
in.
I will not leave my battle buddy behind.
Battle doors.
I'm
Guys,
fucked.
may nakatalk to
Diba?
Lord.
What's up
Ay, ikaw
now,
pala
bro?
yan.
Wala. Miley.
Wala naman kasing paranormal events eh. Yung Oni. Meron ba?
Ano pala si Ivan?
Tsaka guarding their place of death eh. Wala naman location eh.
I've been AFK, bro. Sorry.
Yan, you're trolling, bro.
You're griefing.
Oh,
Pre,
Kay footsteps, imitate yung trait.
Jared sa mamo.
Footsteps. O kaya pag...
ako.
Jared.
Uy!
Jared.
Uy! Check nyo yan, check nyo yung chat. Imitate yung trait ng multo.
Imitate.
Okay.
Maglagay ka ng imitate na trait. Buti binasa ko itong puta. Imitator. Gawin yung imitator. Ay no, smiling or mimic. Smiling or mimic. Wait lang.
name is Happy Mimic. Oh yeah, my name is
Wait lang, pasa pa.
Yung spirit box. Tanggalin mo na yung spirit box.
Tanggalin nyo yung spirit box.
Ikaw na lang talaga nandun.
Wait lang pa.
John.
Nag-EMF5 pa tayo.
Wait
Hindi
lang.
naman nag-EMF5, diba?
Nakabukas sa kwarto ko. Pinawisan pa ako sa kaba. Pre.
Ay,
Off.
sagat.
O kasi
Pinawisan ako sa kaba.
Siya nag-chat ka ba? I'm lost.
Hindi.
But I'm so scared, bro. I can't. It's too night, bro. Gabi na, pre.
Hindi nag-chat siya.
John, go. Get
What?
going. I have to figure out what it is.
Ano
But
pa ba?
I'm
Yan.
I'm not chatting, bro.
Ano yan?
What?
Imitator nga kasi yung ghost natin.
Well, what could it be?
Wait lang.
I found it. Sensor ba?
Sean, just go in, bro.
I'm too scared.
Ay, sige nga, i-deploy nyo nga yung sensor. Kahit sa hagdan lang. Doon naman nag-EMF5. Maglagay kayo sensor dun sa hagdan.
Kaya nga, Evan.
Guys, andito kami ni Jared.
Kita mo pa kami siya, no? Ano ba?
I'm
Gagabay namin kayo.
scared. Oh my god,
Chat.
I'm too scared.
Nasaan yung motion sensor?
1v1. Tipon.
Seven.
Hawakan mo na. Dito mo lalagay sa hagdan, no?
I can't see shit.
Siyan, ano talaga yan? Night vision.
Pwede na yan.
Naangal
I
mo.
can't place. There you go.
Siyan, takbo.
Ay,
Ay, oo. Sensor nga. Sensor nga.
Bakit?
Tignan mo, nag-trigger, oh.
Wala talaga.
Hindi mo kita.
Yeah,
Anong kulay?
red.
Nakagdan. Yung
Anong
It's red. Sensor. But it's a
not a
miling
mimic.
or a raid?
ano ba yung ano
It's
na?
loud, so it could be a raid?
Wait, let me check. Basahin natin.
Spirit box are writing.
Asa ba yun?
They're
Asa ba
all
yun, book?
upstairs. They're up the stairs, bro. It's up the stairs, at the top of the staircase. The book.
Let's just do a 50-50, bro.
Pwede ba yun?
You can go get the book.
Split na lang. Split na lang, bro. Fuck this game.
You can go get the book.
Bro. Next round na lang.
John, don't be a pussy, bro.
Ivan, ikaw na lang ang pamatakot.
I have one button to end the round. I'm coming with Ivan. Basta lang may kasama ako.
And what's the point?
I'm too scared.
Oh my god.
Salit-salita na kayo. Para may sanity pa kayo.
Wesh!
It's red. Fuck, it's at the stairs, bro.
Nanggugulat yung Ginulat ako ayun.
Ha?
Team
Pinulat ka?
It's hovering around the stairs. It's actually just at the stairs, bro.
Guys, i-drop nyo lang yung sensor, yung book pati yung Tapos magtanong kayo ng gamit.
Sean, you go in.
I ain't going in, bro.
Guys.
It's at the stairs. Ivan!
Okay.
It's at the stairs.
Just drop it. Yan. Thank God. Tapos yung spirit box, magtanong kayo questions.
There, I clicked it. You're gonna click it.
Spirit box.
If it's not the book, then it could be the spirit box. Pag walang writing to in like 2 minutes, then I'm just gonna go for the spirit box.
Ay, kailangan nyo pala lambitin yan para para...
Okay,
Isan.
Wait, don't daw, sabi ng may...
Nasaan ba? Nasaan?
Ay, nasa Wala sa second floor, wala sa second floor.
Masa?
Sa'yo?
Nasa kitchen, katawan ko.
I ain't
Ah,
going
gold.
there, bro.
It's just to the left. Yo, Jerry ko ba nag-chat? Nakita ko yung chatbox gumalaw.
I'm about to bust. I'm about to bust, bro. You got this,
Follow.
Ivan.
Follow my voice. Ano to?
Kita ko chat bubble mo, Ivan. I mean, Gian.
Guys, what is your name?
It's at the stairs, bro. Ivan, it's hunting. It's hunting.
Ivan.
It's hunting.
Bawal ka lumabas. Nasa stairs. Go.
Tago. Hindi ka na inaabol.
Nasa dining room. Ayun na.
Inaabol ka pa.
Crucifix.
Seryoso, tumakbo ka na. Boom, patay.
Nice one.
That was a spirit box, bro.
Nano mo, na-crucifix mo.
Oo
Yeah, I
nga.
did. That was a spirit box. I told you it's a fucking myling, bro. You fucking pussy, bro. I did everything. Fuck you.
I'm sorry. I promise.
Okay.
Di, pre. Naano lang ako kasi hindi yan nangyayari. Kinabahan ako. Di kasi alam ko ano nangyayari. I got scared. Ang ano
Holy
kasi,
shit.
gusto ko, alam ko ano nangyayari bago mag-douches, bro.
I did so well, bro.
Kaya maganda ka siya. Si Jat, tatawagin mo pag may multo sa bahay niya. Hahanapin niya yan.
Heck no.
Why am I stuck in the ground?
Wait lang.
You burned my house to the ground.
My family's dead. What do now?
Yo, no cap. My clothes.
Pakuha
are
ng
off
spirit
the
box.
shelf, bro. I think I'm fucked. I think there's a ghost in my room. That's a spirit box. I got movement. What's
Sorry,
this cyborg?
Okay.
Holy white.
Kailangan natin dirty water.
My clothes just fell. Oh.
How
Yeah.
do
Akala ko nag-off yung lights. Meron palang like...
Can you get this?
Yan. Ay, ano. Jared, may ano ka? Sino may space?
Wala.
I got a crucifix and a motion
Ugh.
sensor. Pwede ako mag-drop ng motion sensor. What do you need?
Almost once. Gago.
Sige.
Goggles?
Chan.
Oh.
Yes.
O, tignan mo to.
Sige, mag-goggles na ako.
Ito, pakuha nga netong temperature. Ay, sige, goggles.
I'll take it. I don't want the goggles, bro.
Jared ka na sa goggles, Jared.
May thermometer ako. Sige.
Drop the thermometer. I have one.
Kala ko ba parang mas mabilis?
Laka naman na yun.
Diba
It said
sabi si
small. It said small, bro. Sabi niyo, sige yan na lang. I found
Magic.
bones.
I mean,
2 in here, bro. 2 in here.
naman siya.
EMF 2, ito ghost room. Okay, drop ko yun.
Up 7. Temperature is 7 degrees. Going low to 4.
Okay.
Drop
Freezing
niya
mo.
yung book.
Ito.
Tapos magtanong ka. Spirit box.
3?
Ah,
3? It's
ito,
3?
ito.
Crucifix.
Get in,
Let me know when.
I have no visual. Wait, now.
Ang aggressive.
Did I die? Oh, I died.
You're dead, bro.
Ano tayo maglalaro? Patay si Ivan. Ang nasa...
How much to revive? 39? I can actually just buy a revive.
Oh, don't.
Alright, I won't. Sabi ni Jared ah.
Ito,
are you-
guys. I'm
Kanina.
here.
Yung naka-goggles.
Nasa akin kaso wala eh.
Let's keep checking, bro. I'm in the goggles.
Tatanong muna ako.
Gusto naman na itong multo na to.
What do you want?
Mag-spirit box kayo. Ang ganyan.
Jen.
Yeah.
Jen, I saw the ghost lounge second floor. I saw the ghost.
Go Sorbs.
Ay,
Jen?
sa tingin mo gusto kong puntahan yan.
Kung nasan ka ngayon, dumaan siya kanina. So, Jen, go to my mark. Dirty water.
Copy.
Dirty water.
I'm guiding you.
Dirty water.
Parang nag-ano siya eh, sumulpot lang siya for like a split second.
Wala akong tataguan dito. Ito pala.
Saan ko naman yung crucifix?
Ay.
Papa mo na yung gagas.
Ano ko nahulog kanina, wait lang. Bigla na nahulog.
Oh, Jared! 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 Jared!
It's not hunting.
Chill, people, chill.
Ano nakikita mo siya?
It went there. It went. I saw it, bro. I can show you the clip, bro. I can show you the clip, man.
Nag-flash lang yun. It's
It
nothing.
tried.
Mahilig siya
Gawa sa
mag-ano,
motion-
appear
gawa sa
every now
motion
and then.
sensor, pero it didn't went bright red.
Mani kayo kung may footsteps ah.
I can't hear.
Why are my legs like sticking out the locker, bro?
Jared?
It might not be spirit box or book.
Sinaspam ko nga spirit box. Na kanino ba yung EMF?
Puta, sumado bigla yung pintuan sa akin.
Baka nandyan yung ano? Ghost
Can,
room.
just drop it on the ground. Baka nag-move yung ghost room, ah? It was EMF.
Something moved, bro. Something moved.
Yeah, parang fast sa Roblox.
This thing moved, Jared.
Kaya nakabaligtad EMF mo.
The bottle moved. Ano yun?
Ano?
Ano yung sabihin?
Oh, no.
Ito pa yun yung ghost room.
Hunting. I did drop the, I think my crucifix is inside the locker, by the way.
Hindi, sa labas.
Yeah.
Oh, someone's dead.
Akit niya.
Ba't may
Flicker yung tweet, flicker yung tweet.
Who died?
Flicker.
Flicker tweet, flicker tweet. May ghost orbs?
Okay, patay ako. What the
Ah?
fuck? Ano matay?
May ghost
Ay.
orbs?
Oh, meron.
Mer.
Ah,
Mer yung ghost.
Bakit?
Siya lang
How
may
about-
flick.
May orbs pa? Siya may
Naman-
orbs
Oh,
pa?
meron nga. It's hunting again. What
let's
the
go
fuck?
see what's happening.
We just need to confirm it with the spirit.
Oh, nagano siya, like, bigla ang hunt, and then cancelled.
Yeah.
It's a fake hunt.
Pinadrop.
Nag-ghost event siya. Mirror na lang at available, ah. Sure ba kayo?
Let's just confirm.
Siya, sabihan ka na mag-TikTok.
Yan, manood.
Yan.
Manood. Oh.
Something broke.
Saan yung group?
Oh, Lord.
TikTok na yun, eh.
Yung TV, par.
Kanina pa yan.
Eh, wala yun. Di yan part ng evidence. Mer na lang tayo siya. Ayoko na.
Talk mo na kayo.
Ayun na.
I told you, bro.
May nalutang. Kita mo yun.
Oh.
I you know shit.
Ay, may nakalagay sa laptop dito, ah. I am here.
I don't care about him. Paano lang
Okay.
bukas? Dito siya, dito. Huwag ka muna tumakbo.
Where's the truck? Ah, ito.
I wanna go. I don't wanna be here.
Sige pala ba ito?
I don't wanna be here no more. I don't wanna be here no more.
Yan sa
You
mga...
died, award. We lost. I don't think it was a mare.
Ako no, sabi ko yan flicker eh. Ayun lang.
What the hell? Waste?
Yan ikaw nagsabi ng ano.
Kasi nag-flicker yung yung multo kapag naghahan. Eh yun nga yung ano eh.